Hello. This is an application I built using React Native. I've built this because I found it to be a lot of fun using React Native while I was at Crowd, and I wanted to continue learning more about the different features that React Native has to offer. So here I have set up a login authentication. Everything in this app, by the way, was built from scratch. There are no React library components that were imported or anything. Everything here was built from the ground up. So I used Firebase authentication again, but instead of using the Google Authenticator as I did with the Financify app, this time I'm just using regular email sign up and sign in. So here I have a test user. Already signed up, and I have a couple of students listed already on the dashboard, and this is a very simple page because I'm not really sure exactly what I want to add onto here. So what I've done is kind of just went into the details in the student information page, and this presented a challenge that I did not see coming. Here in the notes section, I thought it would be a very simple output to have a scrolling section here, and I learned that in order for scroll to work, I actually have to have the height for everything in this page set up. And in this case, for the student profile page, it's meant having to set up flex for all of my components. And that was something that was fun to learn. And that is the reason why I'm doing this, because I want to learn about the little nuances of using React Native. For example, little nuances like how text can kind of run into the edge of the screen here, or how I've had to go and use a safe area component that makes sure that your content does not edge into the top or bottom edges where the time and charge and signal icons all live, or the slider to slide your application off of the screen. Also, another thing that I have played with is the navigation menus, being able to navigate back and forth through all of these different pages in different manners. Here we have the settings and the sign out button taking me out back to the login page, or the welcome page that takes me into the login form. And there I can log in. You see the GIF there popping up again for logging in. Also, if I were to click on one of my students and then drag the page down, I can log myself out. So it was a lot of fun learning about all the different nav menus and how I can play with them and go back and forth and utilize them to go back and forth between any page that I want. And yeah, that is my React Native app. It was a lot of fun building it, so I'm going to probably continue this one a little bit more. I'm not sure what features I want on it yet, but some of the basic ones like filters and editing to pretty much standardize what I already do have will be added. But as far as other features go, there will be more added, just don't know which ones yet. I want to plan, design, and think about what exactly I would want this to have. And that's the fun part, is building something for the mobile devices through React Native. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.